Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this color at home. I'm going to be using 3 colors today, and I'll do 2 mixtures. One for my roots to create a shadow root, and then one for this purpley blue at the bottom. So if this is the color that you've been wanting to try, then this video is for you. If you've been watching my videos and maybe forgot to subscribe, make sure to click the button and notification bell. I've been posting videos weekly and I cover beauty, lifestyle, and DIY just like we're going to do today. So welcome to the community. If you want to learn how to do this color at home yourself, then keep watching. Okay, so I have an old sheet here just to show you what I do. You're going to need 2 bowls to mix the colors. One's going to be for the root and the other for the rest of the hair. The difference is going to be that one is darker because I like more of a shadow root. Tinting brushes. You're going to need conditioner to mix in with your colors. This is the Suave Tropical Coconut. If you like to switch up your hair often, this is a really good option because it's affordable and it doesn't have silicones. I like my purple to be a little more gray and blue tones, so I have Fox Poseidon as well as Pravana Chromasilk Vivid Silver and Pravana Violet. I'm gonna start with the root mixture and then I'll do the rest of my hair. So I'm just gonna put some purple in there. This is very strong, so you don't want to do too much of the purple if you're not looking to go very bright. Now I have the silver. I just want my hair to fade silver. If you're starting off with a full white base, I think you can skip the silver. So this is Fox Poseidon, and I do put a lot of this. That's what we're gonna start off with. And if it's too dark, you can also take away and store it for your next coloring session. Add as much conditioner as you think you'll need to cover your root area, and the same will be for your hair. I normally over mix color because I would rather have some left over than be short and then have to guess on the formula that I just did. So making big batches for both my roots as well as the rest of my hair. I'm gonna move on to the hair mixture and then revisit. I'm starting with Poseidon. I like a little bit more blue. Hopefully it'll look more purple at my root and more blue at my ends. This is Pravana Purple, and now I'm gonna add a little bit of Pravana Silver. One thing that I find helpful when wanting to do particular colors, I'll get a white sheet of paper and I'll compare them. Especially if you're doing a darker shade of the same color, on paper you can kind of tell small differences in the shades. Make sure to dilute the mixture for the rest of your hair heavily with conditioner if you're wanting to do a rooty look. Moving on to application, as you can see, I have 2 tones going on. This is a color refresher for me, which is why I have the faded blue silver at the bottom and then my yellow roots at the top. Obviously, roots did not lighten enough this bleaching session, but I wanted to avoid some more damage, so I figured I would make it work since I'm applying purple at the root, so that can tone down a little bit of those brassy tones until I can color correct when I retouch my roots again. So for application, it's pretty straightforward. I am either using a brush or just getting in there with my hands to apply the color. You want to make sure you get in there with your hands when you're blending the 2 shades together because it just makes it a lot easier. And remember, this is conditioner with color, so it's not as scary to use as if it had developer, so just take your time with application if you need to. I left this color on for about 2 hours. It was not intentional. I just kind of went about my day. It's not going to damage your hair if you leave it on for a long time because it's just conditioner and color. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful and that you were able to follow along at home. If you found it helpful, make sure to share. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about the process. And remember, color is supposed to be fun. It is completely customizable. You can make it your own. So hope you had fun and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.